A Day in My Life as a Work-from-Home Mom Solo Parent Edition. Good day everyone! Another day, another ganap na naman sa bahay and managing my time working from home and being a full-time mom. I always start my day with a coffee and I usually prefer iced coffee dahil effective siya for me. Gising talaga ako hanggang sa umaga and had some cashew nuts to munch within my shift. I read some comments pero limited lang talaga ang time ko magbasa sa mga comments sa past post ko and sa mga nagko-comment na nai-inspire sila about how I juggle my time daily. I am also inspired because of the kind words you take time to put on my post. So thank you talaga sa inyo. And sa mga new followers, welcome to my soft living diary. I took a break and I just seasoned the salmon na dinefrost ko kagabi with salt, pepper, and paprika and then also added lemon and steamed it for 20 minutes hanggang maluto siya. For today's Jeff's lunch, gagawa lang ako ng salmon sushi bake kasi gusto rin talaga niya ng salmon at tamang-tama dahil nakabili ako nito nung mag-grocery kami. In-arrange ko lang ang rice na tinimplahan ko sa baking pan at tinimplahan ko na rin ang salmon na na-steam ko with mayonnaise, sriracha, salt and pepper then nilagay ko na rin sa baking pan. I drizzled black sesame seeds then topped it with cheese. Sliced cheese lang yan kasi nagmamadali. And then baked it for 5 minutes hanggang magmelt ng konti ang cheese. Naglagay rin ako ng seaweed wrap and for his snacks, I prepared some rambutan and grapes. I just plated Jeff's lunch nung maluto na ang salmon bake and got some chocolate drink for him as well. So that's what's in his lunchbox today at hinatid ko na siya sa school. May nagtatanong kung bakit walang uniform si Jeff. He's a transferee kasi so hindi pa natapos ang uniform na pinapagawa sa kanya. I hope you can get it in a week or 2. At pag uwi ko, tinapos ko lang ang trabaho ko at as always, nandiyan na naman si Cookie sa higaan ko. Konti na lang talaga ang space ko dahil inoccupy na niya halos lahat. Kaya usog-usog ka muna Cookie para makahiga naman ang mama mo oy. Para talaga itong may-ari ng kama. After my nap, I just had a quick lunch which is my first meal of the day. Very seldom lang talaga ako nagbe-breakfast. And today, yung salmon bake lang ang kakainin ko at nagluto rin ako ng sunny side up egg and made a mango smoothie as well. Ganyan lang kadali and my quick lunch is ready! Isa talaga sa sinyalis na may bata sa bahay dahil ang laruan kahit saan nakalagay. I just had my brunch while watching some food vlogs para mas appetizing naman yung kain ko. Nakakawalang gana kasi ang mag-isa lang kumain kaya ang remedy for that is watching food vlogs. After lunch, nag-edit ako ng video at pagkatapos nag-ayos lang ako at pinick up si Jeff. Kinumusta ko siya about how his day went and if he's getting along with his new classmates. Sabi niya may mga friends na daw siya. We stopped by lang sa grocery to buy a few things at pagkatapos nun umuwi rin kami agad habang hindi pa rush hour. Ayoko kasing maipit sa traffic. Pag uwi namin ay ayan ang Disney Princess sa bahay at sila lubong na kami. I just prepared our dinner right away and nag-blanch lang ako ng langka dahil ito ang dinner namin today. Gagawa ako ng ginataang langka at lalagyan ko ng pork na sahog. Hiniwa ko na lang ang mga ingredients at inunang isaute ang pork hanggang mag-golden brown. Then also throw the onion, ginger, and garlic sa pan at nilagay na rin ang hipon hanggang maluto ito. I just seasoned it with salt and pepper and also added the langka and some water and bring it to a boil. And it's time for Jeff na mag-walking sila ni Cookie as his everyday task. Habang pinagpatuloy ko lang ang pagluluto at gumawa rin ako ng fried chicken. Natimplahan ko na to kanina kaya nilagyan ko na lang isa-isa ng breading and fried it. Marami-rami rin akong mga food na gustong balik-balikan at isa rin tong ginataang langka sa listahan. Marami ring mga Filipino meals na gusto ko pang i-try lutuin at ma-master kaya I wanted to learn everyday. Nung maluto na, I just plated our dinner at tamang-tama naman na bumalik na sina Jeff at Cookie sa bahay. We had a great lunch with Jeff kasama ang konting kwentuhan at maraming tanong niya. Hindi talaga siya nauubusan. After dinner, I had to do a little cleaning sa bahay dahil medyo marami-rami ring balahibo si Cookie at ito ang ebidensya na grabe talaga sila ka-playful sa bahay. Naputol ang ulo ng laruan niya. After cleaning, I just went to my room that brings me peace and comfort at kapag nakapasok na ako sa kwarto, nasa relaxation mode na talaga ako. It was a good day and thank you so much for watching. Bye!